Hey everybody, so in the middle of the second episode of the paint pouring, when I poured the paint on the canvas, I realized that I messed up somehow, especially with the first one too. They really didn't come out like they were supposed to. The first one came out a lot better, but the second one didn't come out well at all. Most of the paint ran off of the canvas because the paint was too runny. The video I watched to help me get through it was saying that you had to take a water bottle and put some dish soap in it and then shake it a little bit and then pour it in and mix it with the paint. And I don't know if I put too much paint or not enough paint or whatever, or too much water, you know what I mean? But it came out too runny. So this is what, I don't have the video anymore because it messed up. The video not only messed up, but the canvas didn't come out right. So this is what it is now. This is what it looks like. Most of it came off the canvas, and I basically just put it face down in all the paint that hit the cardboard box and just smeared it on. And blew on it to give it some weird effects. It doesn't look that good to me, in my opinion. It looks really, really bad. So this one's gonna be, they're gonna be for sale. This one's gonna be for sale for $15. And the other one, this one is gonna be sold for $20 since they didn't come out quite right. So hopefully you like them. And since the paint pourings aren't coming out as planned, I'm just gonna do paint smearing, which is, well, I'm gonna put paint on the canvas and use a palette knife and just spread it around randomly and see what comes out. So yeah, hopefully if you like the palette knife spreading out a lot better than the paint pourings, or if you like the paint pourings, I will try to do paint pourings again in the future once I figure out the actual like mixture and stuff like that and see how to actually do it. But right now I'm just gonna do the spreading of paint. So yeah. And if you like those videos, let me know and I'll do more. And I have a special thing happening soon, or I'm working on. If you've heard of Webtoons, I just recently got the app, and I've just recently read some of the Webtoon stuff, and I'm going to try to make some Webtoons. But they're not going to be on the Webtoon thing because I don't know how to upload them. I think I'm just going to put them on Patreon. So that gives you another reason to join my Patreon, to look at my comic strips and stuff like that of me making it and all that. It's not going to happen just yet because I don't have the character idea and I'm not done with the story. I have like 3 episodes of the story. So I don't really want to do it until I have more of it, like maybe 10 to 15 episodes. Once we get there, I'll start making it, and I'll be putting it on Patreon. But check out my Patreon before then to get all kinds of other stuff, like weekly updates and all that. Discounts, free shipping, all that nonsense. So, and you get to request special things that you think I should do, like sculpturing. I wish to have an elephant, blah. And I'd be like, I'll try. And stuff like that. So, yeah. And that's all I got to talk about right now. I'll talk to you guys later. Next time you see the video, it should be one of the paint spreadings. Palette knife paintings. I don't know. It's another abstract form of paint. I don't remember what it's exactly called. But yeah. I'll talk to you later. Bye.